Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of BeautyCam-Ai. Go to settings. Here in this page you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above or in this list you will search about BeautyCam app and you can click. After that in this page you can go to first stop and you can click OK. Here in this page you will click on storage, then you can click on clear cache. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.